And now a message from the President of the United States, George W. Bush.
Good morning. The United States is now entering the fifth or possibly the sixth year of war in Iraq. And while victory and success continue to be right around the corner, our fighting men and women are fatigued. Maybe they're even a little bored with the war. So I've decided we're going to switch countries. We are going to war with Iran. I've checked with my trusted war czar to see if it's possible to exchange countries at war. And he didn't seem to have any problem with the idea. So that's what we're going to do. In this new Iran war, we aren't going to wait 2 years to declare victory and then have an ongoing struggle for further victory. I'm going to go ahead and declare victory right now. This is going to be a continuously victorious war. It'll be the winningest war in our nation's history. Also in Iraq, we started off strong with shock and awe, and we had a successful surge. So we're going to combine the best parts of these two plans to form a bold new strategy, shock and surge. And finally, this war is going to have a website where you can log on and follow the progress of victory with your chat room friends. Thank you for listening. God bless you.